We're excited to announce our next documentary project, Out of Egypt. We plan to take a team to Egypt and Jordan and follow one of the possible routes the Israelites may have traveled out of slavery on their way to the Promised Land. This is a project that our team has been considering since 2018. Now, we know what some of you might be thinking. Exodus documentaries, they've been done before, and frankly, some of them are more sensationalized treasure hunts than legitimate historical accounts.
Right, we're going to go beyond just exploring the traditional locations and debating the biblical critics. We plan to delve into powerful biblical themes, looking at things like God's covenant, true leadership, redemption from slavery, and so much more. This is a deeper look at this bedrock of the biblical story. The Exodus threads through the entire Bible.
This is going to be the biggest thing Appian Media has ever taken on. It's going to be logistically challenging and very involved, and it's going to be stunning and inspiring. So now we invite you to join us in producing Out of Egypt.
We're asking you to donate now to help us raise the necessary funds to create this documentary series and make it available for free to everyone. We're raising $200,000 that will allow our team of filmmakers to travel to Egypt and create this powerful series.
Your tax-deductible donation will also provide the funds needed to cover editing, animations, music, the writing and printing of the workbooks, and so much more. So why such a big price tag? For one, the cost of the necessary film permits, the equipment, the in-country assistance for Egypt and Jordan is substantial, certainly more than anything we've previously produced. Knowing what a single trip of this scope would involve, we want to make the most of the opportunity, and this is where things get even more exciting. Not only do we plan to produce the main video series Out of Egypt, but we will also be producing Lessons from the Land of the Exodus at the same time.
It's slightly more cost up front, but will save significant time and money on the back end. Right now, you can go to fundraiser.appianmedia.org to learn more about the project and the fundraiser. On that page, you can make your donation. Our goal is to raise all $200,000 before August 20th. If we can do that, this project will be greenlit.
We have some exciting and exclusive gifts for everyone that donates during this campaign. Every donor will receive early access to the finished videos and a chance to be part of our focus group during post-production. This is a great way to get involved with the production process and offer your voice to the Appian Media team. Additionally, if you donate $100 or more, you're going to get one of these exclusive Out of Egypt t-shirts. This shirt is going to be exclusive for donors to this campaign. You have to make a donation before August 20th in order to get your t-shirt. For donations of $500 or more, you'll receive 3 of these unique t-shirts and workbooks from each of our previous series. For a donation of $5,000 or more, Stuart and I will work with you to create a rewards package uniquely designed for your needs. Think workbooks for an entire Bible class, or t-shirts for your whole family, and more. Let's talk about what that could look like.
Here's where it gets even more exciting, if you can believe that.
I cannot believe it.
You get to decide where the world premiere of Out of Egypt will be held. The city that raises the most money between now through next Saturday, August 20th, will be the site of the world premiere, and our team will come and join you for the screening.
So visit fundraiser.appianmedia.org and get those donations in. If there's someone you know who you believe would want to help support these projects, share this link with them. Text it, email it, post it to social media, and encourage them to donate. Remember, you've got until August 20th to donate so that your city can be the site of the next world premiere. Just make sure that you and those that you share it with select the city you live in from the location drop-down menu when they donate.
Generous donors have already allowed us to begin the pre-production phase of this project. We've been in communication with a local team in Egypt and Jordan since March. Our creative team has been assembled, and our story team plans to meet for a writer's retreat if we reach our funding goal. There are still a lot of decisions to be made and a lot of logistics that need to be figured out, but this is the first step. Lord willing, our team will travel to Egypt in October of this year, but only if we can successfully raise these necessary funds before August 20th.
So, it's time to make this idea a reality, to begin production and release this documentary series to the world as quickly as possible. These tools are so important. Your tax-deductible donation goes towards a bigger vision that aids and engages the next generation with God's powerful story of salvation from sin and eternal life in His promised land. Thank you so much to everyone that continues to support this work. We couldn't do this without you. Please donate now, and thank you.